Very good evening friends. In this video I'll just try to add some more features to the menus, how they can work properly. So here I just try to create a text edit. So text edit and the Q text edit. This is a text box where you can write something, and then I created self dot set centered visit, and then I passed text edit to it. Then I created one exit act Q action, and then I added shortcut key, then the set status tool type, and then I triggered a connection to this, and then I just used the status bar also. Then I created a menu bar, and then I added the menu bar to the file menu, and then I created a toolbar, and then I added the toolbar menu also. So see, it has got the menu bar with the file, and it has got the toolbar with one element into this, and this down you see it's a text edit. So there you can write the multiple line of text, because here you have, if you use the word text edit, then now see, if you enlarge, it looks like a notepad. So there you can write, there you can create the font, you can create the other options like the menu, you can make it proper notepad or notepad plus plus or different kind of text editor. So now again I just go to this part, the self dot set geometry title, set geometry, and then the self dot show. These are the common part, and that just below how these main function is called, that is also common to all the applications till now what we have discussed. And this set geometry, this 00 is actually just telling you where the pop-up window will be looked at. Now see, it's corner 00. Now the first element is its distance from the, you can say, from the edges. So one is from the width and one is from the height. So 00. Now it's just at the corner 00. So 0 distance from the width. Now if I press it, so it has got some distance from this vertical line, and then these two, this line, this line. So again I change it 300 and then 200. So now 300 from this is on the left hand side, and the other one is from the top edge. So now this is very good evening friends. Again I am starting from the last video. This is the how to add the toolbar. So just see, first I have this exit act, then Q action is added, then I self dot toolbar I created, add toolbar, and then with the toolbar I added action and exit, and then the rest is same. So it is just, if you see, everything there is in this def init UI function. The rest is all common, there is nothing there. Just I created one object, exit act of type Q action. Now you see how it works. Yes, this is a toolbar. Now if you click on this, it vanishes. So this one exit act is just a, you can see properly. Now see again. So this is the toolbar with the image icon, and then if you click on this, then this image will vanish. So just there's nothing like I mean to say that I created one action Q action, and then I added shortcut self dot toolbar, and then I added toolbar to it, and then nothing. It's just there's nothing. Just keep on watching, keep on practicing with the code, and just you can stop the screen and then just type the code on your editor and see. Just keep on practicing with us. Thank you very much.